Next is the you have to erect the perpendicular to the given given against the tape. So your job is to erect the perpendicular. So consider the line. So this is what the 3-4 method. So I'm not going to explain 3-4 method. First, initially I will tell you how to erect the perpendicular. So this was a straight line A and B. For this one, you have to set out the perpendicular. Okay, this is exactly perpendicular. So you have to erect this one you have to erect it, whatever I'm showing in the purple color you have to erect this. So this is your job. So there are the different method of erecting the perpendicular or the point or the given in the survey line. In a given survey line or the point, you have to set out the perpendicular. So the line joining the whatever the main survey station, so that is a survey line. The biggest survey line is called as the baseline, this one, and the various survey stations are being plotted with the reference to this. An offset has to be a lateral distance of an object on the ground measured from the survey lines when the angle of offset is 90 degree. So that is perpendicular perpendicular offset, and when the angle other than the 90 degree is an oblique offset. So next, first I will explain 3-4-5 method. So 3-4-5 method. So consider this is the what is the procedure you have to do it for this is you have for the before that instrument, whatever instrument which is being used for this erecting a perpendicular is one is chain, tape, arrows, ranging rods, and cross stops. Okay, so a perpendicular at a point on a given line may be set as following this as the following method. So that is a 3-4-4 method. Let you have to be erected for the perpendicular chain length at a establish a point at a distance of 3 meter from a C. Okay, so you have to set out a 3 meter at a from a C. Put a O end of the tape. So you have to take a tape and of tape of 3 meter. So after a O end of the tape which has to be located at a point C. So sorry, yeah, 0 and it has to be located at the C, and a distance of 4 meter you have to take it from in this direction. So you have to make an arc. Okay, an arc, this you can call it as an arc or a loop of 1 meter you have to take it. Okay, first this tape is going for 3 meter, then it is running perpendicularly approximately, okay, perpendicularly for about 1 meter for about 4 meter and a 1 meter loop you have to hold it. Okay, 1 meter, this length should be 1 meter. How to keep means this length, so 3 plus 4 7 meter, so 8 meter, 7 meter and 8 meter length will be there now. So for that, one after the other you have to hold it and you have to make a one circle loop, that's all. Okay, so keep that and take another and on it. So you stick one point here and another point is here. Yes, at a peg you fix it, and a loop of 1 meter you do it and run a 5 meter to here join. So all this will join together. So this is 3 meter, this is 4 meter and 5 meter. So exactly hypotenuse will be highest length. So this is 3 meter, this is 4 meter and this is 5 meter. This is a 3 this is a 3-4-5 method. So this is just I explained in a similar very simplest way. Okay, next after 3-4-5 method, so this is the another method. So in this method what you have to do is I will keep on explaining. The what you have to do is you have to set out the perpendicular to the given chain line. Let AB. So let AB be the chain line and C be the point outside the chain line with the C. As the C as the center and within the chain line with the convenient radius, I draw an arc to cut the chain line D and E. So you have to keep it here, and what you have to do is one line you have to draw it. Okay, chain line you draw it. So keep any length, whatever. So cut one arc here, cut another arc here. Okay, so join a line here. Okay, so after whatever the line which cuts between the two arcs, so join those line. Okay. So consider this length is 6 meter, means exactly at 3 meter you cut it. So join this line, so you will get a perpendicular offset that will bisect it. Okay, so exactly at mid it will bisect. So this is how the another method you have to draw it. Okay, next is another method. This is the third method. So in this method, so consider let AB be the chain line. Okay, AB be the chain line. This actually it is here A B. Okay, so it is been not came into picture. So let A be the chain line, C be the given point, this one given point on the chain line from which the perpendicular has to be erected. So select a convenient point near the C and with FC. So FC as the center, as the radius, draw an arc to a cut and chain line at E. So consider this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius. Okay, so cut an arc length here and here. Okay, this is the line, you draw it simply. This line you draw simply and cut an arc. Here also you cut an arc. So sorry. So what you have to do is one arc is from here you cut, you will get this one and this one arc. From here when you take a circle, if you put a circle, this arc will cut like this. Okay, so that's how you will get these two arcs. So join those two line you have to join. So you will get like this. So then these two lines you draw it, and whatever the arc length from here to here you draw it. So you will get a perpendicular offset. Addition to that you will get a right angle triangle. So this is CEF, and D. So you can take the measurements if you need it. If it is not needed, leave it. So our main objective is to draw a perpendicular or an offset to the given point. So my given point is C. So this is how the simple setting of a survey line of erecting the perpendicular at a point C in a baseline A and